Hello everyone and welcome to PokeFam. I have a few packs I want to open up from Evolving Skies and let's see what we can get. I was kind of waiting to do this video because I ordered this from someone on Instagram and I think it looks pretty cool. It's for our hits and let's put it to use. We also have the giveaway for the 200 followers. Well, one of the 200 followers and hopefully we can reach that soon. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna open up a Evolving Skies ETB and Evolving Skies Build-A-Battle box. I actually have my daughter with me here and she's gonna help me open up the Build-A-Battle box. It'll be her first time, so we'll see how she does. All these artworks on these boxes are amazing. Look at that. All right. Get our packs. Put that aside. And we'll jump right on it. So the reason I decided to name the page PokeFam was because originally we were opening up packs together as a family, and I wanted it to be all together. Energy. Well, we've had complications. Ligands. All right, nothing there. Let's try the next pack. Hopefully we can, all three of us, be on here. 4. Alright, Leaf Energy, Skiploom, Shopping Center, Seedot, Skiploom, and a Militok, non-hollow. This is actually my first time opening Evolving Skies. I've seen videos of people opening them, but I never actually got to open them myself. Snowleaf Badge, Bufflet, Ubat, Love Disc, and Ampharos. No hit yet. Come on, we gotta put that little piece to use. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Metal Energy, Shelgon, Love This, Dweeble, Psyduck, and a Zorkalo. I guess that counts as a hit, right? Oh no. Look at that. So the guy that makes these is on Instagram. If you want his information, just let me know. Shoot me a message and I'll let you know his Instagram information if you want any. Psyduck, Lotad, and Altaria. Man, no hits in this box. I probably opened up the wrong one. Oh no. Are you ready? We got 2 more left after this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave, Phoebus. I love that Hitmonchan. Look at that. Ooh, he ready to hit somebody. Pikachu, Dweeble, and Shift Ride. Nothing good. I'm not even sure how many packs are in those things. I've never opened those build to battle boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Crustle, Carvana, Dreamer, Mareep, Drowsy, Full Face Guard, and Scout. Oh my, nothing. Nothing. Last pack magic for me. Hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's a hit in this one. I can feel it. I feel it. Lightning Energy. Fletchender. Seadots. Eevee. No way. Nothing. Oh, Elgros. Hollow. Well, nothing good in there. But we're going to keep trying. Alright, you guys. That's it for me. I'm going to leave it to my daughter here. See how she does. Or she's going to open up this Build a Battle box. Let me just open it for you real quick. And her name is Amory. The famous Amory.
Hi, how is everyone doing? Thank you for watching. Let's open some packs. Hope we can get something good.
You sound like a robot. Okay. Got 4 packs. Oh, look, they have... That's a nice little Articuno, Glaring Articuno. I didn't know that card came in there. I don't even know if I should keep this sealed or open. But we're going to keep it sealed for now. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Show them what you got, girl. We should have opened up the other ETB. I think that's the lucky one. I got no hits on this one.
We got
Okay. You're not talking? Oh my, Rayquaza V. Okay. She's the one with the lucky hands over here. I'm gonna have to have her pulling on my cards. Good job there. Alright, next pack.
We got the Evolving.
They're all Evolving Skies. Wow, look at you. You got the best one so far.
Yep.
So the way we used to do it was me, my wife, and my daughter would get packs. All of us would equally get packs, and we would see who would pull the best hit out of all of us.
Crystal King.
We would all open them at the same time, and then from there we'd switch off and show each other each pulls that we got. Whoever won would get more packs. But like I said, my wife isn't here right now, so it's just us two. Ooh, what did she get? Hydreigon. 2 hits already. Goodness. But hopefully we can have all 3 of us on here. Like I said, that is the reason why I decided to call the page PokeFam.
Because all the other names were taken.
No, there's so many names. You could do whatever you want. I think there's a few other pages called PokeFam too. But this one will be different.
Yes. Because this one just started.
Yeah, I did.
We got the Fire Energy. Then we got the Toy Catcher. We got... Right? Huh?
If you can't say the name, it's fine. Phoebus, Hippopotamus, Lillipup, Nickit, Zorok, and Smuggle. Okay, you know that song, huh? Last pack, you guys. Let's see if we can pull something crazy. Hopefully an alternate art would be nice. 1, 2, remember count 4 and then put them in the front. There you go. Flip them over. That's how you know you did it right. You got the energy. Armora Lady, Rescue Carrier, Scrafty, Dweeble, Rufflet, Rug, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Gossifleur, and no hit on that one.
No.
Good try. You got better hits than me.
Yep.
Alright, you guys, that will be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, hit a like. If you're new, hit a follow. Help us out, help us grow. Do a share. Anything helps you guys.
Yeah.
Thank y'all again for watching and have a good one.